Yes, these lenses here, right? So look there. Hey, what's going on, YouTube fam? No, let's say YouTube because we're also got our school app. So, hey, what's going on, fam? Yo, what's going on? Hey, what's going on, Braeside, Dove Academy, Hey, what's going on? Lynn, watch the thing. Or should we just start right to the point? Making thumbnails in Canva. Let's go.
Let's go.
So today we're going to show you how we make our thumbnails. So I'm going to go here in Canva. I'm going to go to Add Page. Shout out to Canva for giving us a free subscription for our NGO. We're very thankful for Canva. They've been blessing us all along, and bless you, Canva. So what we need to do is we need to get our picture here. So we did take a picture, and we got to find this picture. I think it should be somewhere around where? What is it called again? Not in Braeside, right? It would probably be in the app. What's the app called? CleanShot X. Okay, so we go to CleanShot X. So we just took a screenshot from Screenshot. So here's our screenshot, CleanShot. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this. Okay, so in Canva, we want to go here. We want to insert our picture just by going Control V. We have our picture. So we're gonna line that up, kids, in Canva. There, so we screenshotted from our video. I don't know if that's the best way, but that's what we did because resources are limited. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go up here because I wanna keep the bottom there. So you see where my lines are, guys? Are you learning something? So I'm above here, right? It's in here, but it's okay. What I'm trying to do is get all of this stuff here. So we gotta make this a thumbnail. So we gotta add a little bit of creativity to it. So what are we trying to show people? Because there's like this, it's already very like busy. So we're just gonna put an arrow, okay? The old red arrow trick, yeah? And we're gonna go like this. No. Let's make a big red arrow here. Boom. Like showing the timeline. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm trying to do or no? What's my train of thought? We're making a video about what? About overlaying. Yeah. How to make an overlay. Right, so transform, that's what we want people to see. They need to transform this clip, put it here, and it makes it an overlay. Make sense? All right, so it's boom, 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 and then we can put, what? Nothing? Just that? We put some words there or what? What kind of word do you want to put? I think it's already so busy with all this stuff. Now we see this wonderful logo, and why is it not transparent? What we want to do, we're going to go here and do background remover. See that in Canva? And then, ooh la la.
Whoa.
Yeah, boys. So where do you want to put this? Like, we're not really caring about our keyboard. So I think this is the main thing, right?
Yes.
So to get rid of some of this busyness, we can put this here, like a big logo, right? So people say, what? Final Cut Pro, right? Maybe we can put words like hack, like a hack job.
Maybe we can put it at the center there.
Okay, so we're gonna get our picture first, and we're gonna edit the picture before we get it crazy. We go to here to edit, and we go to adjust. See that? We go to auto adjust. This is for our background picture. So now my thing just got a lot clearer and cool. We're gonna do the same for this. We're gonna click on this and we're gonna go, boom, auto adjust. See, now it adjusts the color a bit. And this one doesn't matter. All right, so you said what? Put in the middle? Put what in the middle?
The final.
Yeah, the reason I put it here is kind of like, because we're kind of showing like, we want to bring their eyes to this sort of thing, this transform, because the whole thing is that we're transforming this, you know what I mean? If we move that over here, then it doesn't really, I did it here because I wanted to cover this, like this makes it look very busy with the Ekai. Now it looks like we're trying to show off our computer, our thing, right? So at the same time, I'm covering this up, right? And I'm making it like, it's more about Final Cut Pro than about that keyboard, you know what I'm saying? So that's why my thought, do you like my thought process there? All right, so we got like that, cool. I think that's already good. Now we could put like, if we wanted to put letters, but again, like there's already a lot there. We can go over here and we can put text. We can put a text box, right? And then what kind of letters would we put? Tips and tricks or something like that? Static, what? Maybe we can search here, put like tips, bold. That didn't really give anything interesting, did it? What I'm looking for, guys, is something like a tips. Like a tips or tricks. Yeah, just one word, tricks. Or tips and tricks.
Oh, you design it like.
Yeah, I can, but I'm looking for the font. So we want a font that's going to be able to see through all of this other noise there. So we got a lot of stuff. So it could be like this. Like we could go like that. Boom. Tips and tricks. You know what I mean? But then change this font. So we would go like this. Yeah. So we got tip. Then we're going to go here. So this is where you have the color, All right, so we can go to like yellow, but it's yellow on yellow, so that doesn't really work out, does it? You gotta first highlight this. See that? Highlight that. Now there's free Canva as well. You can get it free Canva, but it has limited features. So there's like a thing pro because it wants you to upgrade. Again, thanks. Shout out to Canva for the free subscription for our NGO. Now, what's a nice grab your eye attention? You like the red? I think red is like a very common, you know, like we're trying to get it to stand out. So as soon as you look at it, boom, you know. All right, so we have this cool resource. My friend who has a school group on school called the ROI YouTube. Shout out to my boy. He's got this thumbnails so that we can see. So check it out. There's different thumbnails and we can kind of get like an idea. I don't like that one because it's hard to see it. But anyways, so we can get some ideas. What I'm trying to say is like, let's get some ideas from here that like for our letters. So what do you think? Like, which one's nice? Is ours nice or do we want better letters based on what you see in other people have here? I mean, because those letters kind of grab your attention, right? Now let's go to ours and say if ours also catches your attention. Does that catch your attention or not like that other one? Yeah, does it? When we look at these other ones here, is there anything here that, or should we put something behind here, like so that we know, like tips and tricks? How do we put like a background on it or something? Go back in our text. We're frozen. We're frozen. Okay, so in our tips and tricks, we can, you want to leave it like that? Or do you want to put like a text box around it or something? Or we can put a text, change the writing. Because we should use like this tips and tricks for all of our videos where we use the same kind of thing. So you want to put like a border behind it, like this. We can put like a border behind it. So we can go like this. We can go up here, we can put it here, and then we can drag it across here. Yeah, we can change the color. What color would we like? So we're going to change the color to here. You'll see in a second. You'll see in a second. You can make it white, and then you got to go over here to position. See, you have this position. You go to position, and then you send it backward. So now, yeah, now we got to line it up like if that looks straighter now, right? And we can also move it a little bit there. What do you think? Does that look good? Yeah. Look even on both sides? Kind of does?
Yeah, that looks...
All right, so that would be our thing. What do you think, guys? So does that thumbnail look good, you think?
Yeah. Yep.
Tips and tricks. Yeah?
Tips and tricks.
So we have here, the timeline here. All right. So what we're going to do, we're going to go here to share. I mean, we can always change our thumbnails later, but at least so we have something so that we can get this done. And then we go to download. You go to download, and then we got to make sure you don't do all 5 pages, because if we do all 5 pages, we're going to all my thumbnails I've been doing. So we go here to current page. You see that? Current page, and then you go to download. Now I move my head because the phone is, with the camera is blocking it. And then download. And then it's going to go there. It's going to ask me for, it should ask us what it wants. Did I put download or it didn't do something right? Why didn't it ask me about saving it? Or it's loading, because my computer is getting sad. All right, so what are we going to call this? Tips, Final Cut Pro, overlay. Yeah?
Yes.
And then thumb. Okay. Oy, thumb, not Fiji gum. Okay, so we're just going to, now do we want to put in downloads or do we want to put it in our Creative Arts Academy one? Let's put it in our video. We have thumbnails somewhere here, thumbnails and banners, yeah?
Yeah.
So we go to thumbnails and banners so that we don't have to move it later. And then we put it there, thumbnails and banners, and that should be there. Now, all that said, so hey, we got a thumbnail. So let's go put it in our YouTube video. Yes. All right, kids, so what did you learn?
I learned about how to make thumbnails.
Where did you make the thumbnail? In Canva. Yes, in Canva, so very good. Next time, I'll let you guys make it. Yeah? Ah!
Yes.